Self-love, self-love, self-love. Inspired by the greatest love of all, the love of Jesus Christ, a love so profound and unconditional. This love is the foundation of everything, the source of our strength and joy. Beat kicks in. I love myself because Jesus loved me first. He healed my pain and quenched my thirst. In a world so cold where it's easy to feel lost and alone, His love is my burst of warmth and light, a beacon in the darkest times. When life feels the worst, when challenges seem insurmountable, He said, "You're worthy, my child, you're divine." Through Him I find strength, let my spirit shine, let my heart be free. In His eyes I'm perfect, a love so pure, and with Jesus I'm strong, the world I endure. When the world tells me I'm not enough, when doubts creep in, I turn to His love. It's more than tough. Fills my heart, lifts my soul. With Jesus in my life, I feel whole. Self-love ain't selfish, it's a divine decree. Because He loved us all, He set us free. To love ourselves, to honor our worth. To know He's with us through life's every turn, every scar. Every tear, He sees it all, every moment of joy and sorrow. His love picks me up whenever I fall. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight. With Jesus' love, I'm guided by His light. I love myself. Because He loved me first. Through His love, I've been truly immersed. In grace, in peace, in a love so true, and with Jesus' love, I can make it through. So, whenever you doubt, whenever you fear, remember His love, it's always near. Embrace yourself, for you're divine. In Jesus' love, let your spirit shine. Let it be your guide, your source of strength. Beat fades out. Thanks for listening, family. I appreciate you taking the time to hear my heart. Remember, self-love is a divine act, a reflection of His love for us. Because Jesus loved us first. Stay blessed, stay loved. Peace out. And this song is our gift for you from AI World.